what we've seen, this massive leap in numbers? What are the reasons for this significant surge in crypto numbers?
Thanks for having me here, Rajdeep. Well, if I could summarize in one statement, what's happened over the last year is regulatory clarity emerged in crypto. We've seen Bitcoin go from 30,000 last year this time to 90 odd thousand now today. And that's about a 300% change in the course of a year. And most of it is driven by just two events. The first event was broad acceptance amongst institutional investors via the ETF approval that happened in December last year and January this year in the US. That drove a lot of institutional investors to crypto. And as we stand today, there are more institutional investors who invest in the Bitcoin ETF as compared to the gold ETF, if we specifically talk about the BlackRock ETFs. The second thing that's happened is basically the Republican nominee Donald Trump becoming the president of the United States, or becoming the president-elect of the United States. Donald Trump has been a very vocal supporter of crypto. In fact, he's attended numerous conferences where he has said that he's going to bring in regulatory changes. He's kind of sort of near cabinet or cabinet of influencers, if I may say, like Elon Musk, JD Vance and so on and so forth, have also been pro-crypto. In fact, even if you keep them aside broadly and look at the broader representatives in the Senate that have kind of come in, more than 60% are now crypto pro representatives. And all of this signals like the overturn window shifting towards crypto and more people being ready for broader regulatory acceptance of crypto. That's what's happened, Rajdeep. That's the trend that we are seeing, and that's the trend we expect to continue.
How do you see this impacting the broader crypto landscape, especially for Indian investors?
Well, Rajdeep, typically what we always see in cycles like this is first old users start getting reactivated, and that's at least what we are seeing on Mudrex. We are a 7-year-old platform, and today we are seeing a lot of the older users who were there on the platform, they start coming in, start checking their portfolio, start investing again. That's where it begins. Then it goes from there to newer investors joining. And post that is when we actually see broader market activity, where more and more companies start building in crypto, more and more regulatory clarity starts coming in for crypto. And that's what we expect. The last 2 years have kind of sort of been this evolution towards more users coming in, more regulatory clarity coming in. And I think that's where the broader market will continue.
One final question for our audience who may be new to crypto. What would you say are the key things to consider right now before entering the market at this high?
Well, the first thing I'll say, Rajdeep, is that not everyone should be investing in crypto. It's risky. You need to understand what the market is like, what the asset class is like, and understand both the risk and reward of crypto before you jump into it. And the second thing that I would like to say is that despite crypto being risky, the basics of investment in any asset class are the same, right? You need to start off small, you need to understand the market, you should ideally try and do an SIP and then do recurring investments. And preferably also do all of this on a compliant platform like Mudrex. We are FIU registered and among the top platforms in the country. So you should start and do it slowly and steadily as such.